will crumble under the pressure. Find out here, right now, on Total Drama Island.
I am 100% convinced that Tom Nook would be Chris if Animal Crossing was Total Drama Island. Like, without a doubt, it's the same. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Tom Nook makeup look from Animal Crossing New Horizons. So if you watched my last video, you know that a lot of my videos that I had filmed were incredibly delayed because I bought the costume pieces yet was unable to film due to staph infections in my face. So unfortunately, I had bought this shirt back whenever I first started playing Animal Crossing New Horizons, which was in like April, and they hadn't made the new Tom Nook shirts yet. Now they are available. This one is available here at 𝐒𝐨cosplay.com, and I will have that link down below for you guys if you guys want to check it out and get like the real shirt. But I did buy this one off of Amazon because at the time I'm like, that's close enough, they'll get the gist, and here we are with an actual shirt able to purchase for you guys to complete the look. Anyways, this look was really fun and easy to do because if you got like a last minute cosplay convention that you need to go to maybe sometime next year when those open up, this is something that you can definitely throw together really fast to be able to go and enjoy yourself if need be, or it's just a fun makeup look to do at a convention regardless. It's super easy, but I really like it. It's a nice ombre effect around the eyes, kind of a little bit avant-garde-ish, one could say. So anyways, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can recreate this Tom Nook inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey guys, to get started, I'm going to be personalizing the wig a little bit more. I wanted it to look a little bit more like Tom Nook's coloring, which is where he has some black darker fur and then a little bit of the lighter brown tones. So I'm kind of doing a nice dark root on this wig. This worked out really well, and especially how the black blended into the rest of the color. I absolutely love how it turned out. So of course, I was being messy with this. I was okay with having to wipe off my forehead. You can of course do this on a wig head as well, but I figured I might as well do it on myself while I'm sitting here. And so once you have that, we're going to be styling it. I'm just going to be taking the front sections of the wig, pulling it back and twisting it into a mini bun before bobby pinning it in place. You're kind of essentially doing a half up, half down, except you're splitting it down the middle and doing mini buns on either side. This looks really cute, and especially if you have some pink construction paper or felt, you can cut out a little semicircle and stick that on as well to kind of create the pink in his ears too. That would also be a really cute touch to add as well. Next, we're going to be moving on to our makeup. I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and just applying this all over my face. And then once that is done, I'm going to be moving on to my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Foundation in the color 85N and just applying this on my face using my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. Next, I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha and just applying this on my face to serve as our cream contour before making sure to blend that out. Once that is done, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 14 and just applying this to the areas that I now want to brighten. So this is going to be my forehead, under my eyes, my upper lip, my chin, and under my contour. And then I'm going to let that sit while I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows before blending this out. To set this, I'm just going to be using my Patrick Star in MAC Cosmetics Translucent Powder. Next, I will be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and just bronzing up my face. This is going to be my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin. And then once that is completed, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop in Kathleen's Light Collection Lunar Has It Blush and using an angled contour brush, I'm just going to be applying this all around my eyes. This is really going to help give the illusion of his raccoon mask. Next, I'm going into my Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this dark red color and I'm going to be mixing it a little bit with this deep brown. And I'm just going to be taking a flat foundation brush and just really applying this directly around my eyes and eyebrows. This is going to help really accentuate the ombre effect that we are going for. You can also go ahead and apply a little bit of this to the tip of your nose as well and fade it outwards. We're then going to be taking our black eyeshadow from the palette and applying this to the very tip of our nose to create the black little nose that Tom Nook has. Next, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Designer Masquerade Collection Court of Miracles blush and just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. I'm then going to be going into my Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette, taking sand and just applying this to my crease. I'm now going to be going into tan lines, and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of my lid and also the inner corner as well, and then doing the same thing on the other eye, making sure to blend as I go. Next, I will be taking Cocoa from the palette, and using this shade, I'm going to be pressing this in to the outer and inner corner of my eye and then blending it together up at my brow bone. And you also want to bring this down to your lower lash line as well. This is really going to help accentuate the halo eye effect. I'm then going to be jumping back into my James Charles Morphe palette, taking this dark brown color, and I'm going to be applying this to the same areas that I just applied Cocoa. This is really going to help deepen up that color and add more dimension. And to highlight my eye, I'm going to be taking these two shimmer shades from the palette and just applying this to the very center of my lid. Next, I'm going to be lining my eyes with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing a nice simple wing. You're also going to bring this down to align your lower lash line as well. I went ahead and lined my lower waterline with some white eyeliner, but I didn't like it later and ended up switching it to black, so just a heads up for you guys. For my lips, I'm going to start off by taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in 𝐿𝐴𝐴, and I'm just going to be outlining my lips. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop Disney Designer Collection Masquerade Luxe Liquid Lip in Beast and just applying this all over my lips. I'm also going to be jumping back into my James Charles palette, taking this black eyeshadow and lightly tapping this on to my upper lip just to help give it a little bit more contrast to my lower lip before topping everything with my Disney Villains ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Shadow Man. Next, I'm going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them. Before moving on to mascara, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping this through my upper and lower lashes. And last but not least, the lashes I chose for this look are my Sugar Pill Plush eyelashes, so I'm just going to be popping that on to my upper lash line. And that is my completed Tom Nook inspired makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, especially since Halloween is coming up. You guys won't want to miss those videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can subscribe for as little as $1 a month to receive all exclusive behind the scenes access to sneak peeks of upcoming projects before anybody else. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!